Welcome back everybody, HairObsess Jay C here. So we are going to start off with my protein treatment. I will be using the Vitale hair mayonnaise. I am adding coconut oil, my oil mix, and of course an egg. So what I'm doing here is taking out 2 teaspoons of the product and I will be adding the egg. Now the Vitale hair mayonnaise is a light protein because of the oats protein that is in it, and it's way down in the ingredients list. So the hairdresser in my last relaxer update asked me to try this method because it's really strengthening for the hair and it aids in hair growth as well, and it also helps in stopping the shedding. So I'm just going to add the oils and I'm going to mix that well. I hope you guys stay to the end to see the end result of what my hair looks like. So I'm going to be starting off in 2 sections. And I am going to be applying the product from the back towards the front. Now this is what the consistency is. It's very watery, although I added the deep conditioning treatment to the mixture.
So this is what's happening, and we're going to do this. This is nasty. This is really nasty. Oh my goodness. I can tell you this, that it doesn't smell like egg at all. I think what's saving me is the deep conditioning treatment that I put in from the Vitale mayonnaise. I think that's what's helping me here. So I'm just going to saturate the hair. With the product. And obviously I'm not going to bore you guys with me applying this treatment. Okay, my hair feels like there's a film, some sort of film. Must be the egg.
So what I'm going to do is deep condition for 20 minutes on the hooded dryer, and I will be clarifying as well with the ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo. And I will be preparing for my moisturizing treatment using the Queen's Helen's Cholesterol, adding pure honey for a humectant, coconut oil, and my oil mix. So what I'm going to do is just take about 2.5 teaspoons of the product, and I will just mix everything together. And I'm doing this because I recently learned you have to always do a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment right after your protein treatment to balance the pH in your hair. So here I'm just going to add the product to my hair in the same 2 sections as I washed it, and I will be deep conditioning for 20 minutes on the hooded dryer. So this is what I washed my hair with again, and I used the VO5 moisturizing conditioner and my leave-in. I popped my curlers in. And the next day, I just wrapped my hair and I added a little oil. And by this point, there's no curls in my hair, but I'm gonna make it work. Please guys, if you are enjoying the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the club down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I really think I got the protein treatment game on point this time, and I think I really deserve 2 thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the protein treatment this time, girls. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.